Hello learners, today's topic is CSV data set. So CSV data set is used to provide data from the outside. So you can say it is a parameterization of JMeter. So with the help of CSV data set, you can provide the username, password, some condition, precondition, how the things will be, what is expected, and from the date it's so it is read by line, and whatever the variable you are using you can use in your test cases. So how to add this? Go into your thread group, add config element CSV dataset. When you add this will be in test plan, add config element CSV dataset. So if you added on the test plan level, it will be available for all the places, and thread group, it will be available inside your thread group. Even you can add inside any logic controllers. Assume if you have a transaction controller and you add a config element CSV dataset, so it will be available inside this transaction controller. So this is a way it can be added, and I told you how to use it. And I created one CSV file and I saved this file inside my JMeter bin. By default, JMeter use that. You can save any place, and it's I added some username and password and save it. And in your CSV data set, you need to browse and select that location where you save the CSV file. In this CSV, you can say first line I used as username and comma password. Here's I added variable name. You can add your own. So it will be read it. So in the same order. So first row, first column, second column, and it get read by line. So if you are using any encoding, you can use it. By default, you can leave it. Ignore first line if you are using headers. In CSV, you can, yes, you can, by default it is false, but you can ignore it. So by using the true. And how it is delimits, so comma slash t for the tabbing purpose, and this is way how you created your CSV. Allow quoted data, so it's self-explanatory. If you are using double quotes there, so you can make it as a true as false. Recycle, this is important. So recycle end of file. So what happened if you having a 5 data and you created a loop or something where you are reading 100, so after 5 it will start from the uh, first position. So make it true. If you don't want, the execution will be stopped there. Sorry, next topic is stop thread at the end of file. So true and false can be selected there. Sharing modes, all threads and different options, concurrent thread, current thread, and this can be done. So here this is option can be provided at the run thread consecutively. So this conditions is matched with always with this one. So this is a way you can use a CSV data set. And here I use the username. And if let's assume this is a post call ad for creating a login, and it's a Blaze demo sites where it is doing login. And results set, let me clear and run. Okay, some failure is there, but things are working. So you can see open page for username is there, so it is get added. And on response request body, yeah, you can see which the we provided standard user and secret source. Here you can see I use username and password, and I am reading those value here. So dollar bracket the variable name which you created here, then close your brackets. This is a way you can add the CSV. That's it for today. Happy learning.